What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the MixedSid channel, and today finally we are doing our 1k special cocktail video. And today's 1k special to celebrate hitting 1000 subs. It is Filthy Rich, and it's from The Alchemist. It took up preparation, it took practice, and we finally got it here, and I'm proud to present it. So let's make Filthy Rich. So what you want to do is get your nora glass and put in a 1 gold sphere. Because I'll do this in a separate video to make these gold spheres, because it took a lot of practice, this has. Perfect. What you want to do now is, we'll put this to one side. So what you want to do now is get your shaker, put in ice, and this time we're not going to shake it, we're going to stir it and be stirring it. So the first thing we're going to shaker, guys, is 20ml, just short of 3/4 of an ounce of Woodford Reserve. So use a Smoky or a peaty whiskey. Just an excuse basically to use a Woodford Reserve what's left. Perfect. Next is a 30ml or 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. So what we're doing is building a cocktail to put into our beaker. Next, 50ml or half an ounce of citric acid dilution. Because this is a substitution for your lime juice, your lemon juice and all that. Because it's very clear and it reduces the smokiness that you get with no lime juice when you squeeze it in lemon juice. Because it's very clear. So the final thing to make this cocktail, to make it filthy rich, is a bottle of Moet. As you can see, I've gone for a small one. But to celebrate, I thought I'd buy this, because they will go a little bit more expensive, since it's a bigger video and it's a special occasion. There we go. So 50ml. We eventually got there. So 1.7 out. So 50ml or 1.7 ounce of Moet. Celebrating style. So get your boss bit and now give it a good stir, 15 seconds to chill it. I'm not too sure why I didn't ask me to shake it, but just following the recipe. Where's the recipe from? It's from The Alchemist. I recommend this because I've never had it before. Filthy Rich. So you can buy it online or from Alchemist, the recipe book. Highly recommend it. So get your strainer now. We'll go straight into our beaker. Look at that delicious gold colour. As you can see, that is filthy rich. Because we've got a nora with our gold sphere in it, and we've got our cocktail. Because what we're going to do now is to break the sphere, and then we'll pour the cocktail over it. Because it's served like this now, as well as you get a little teaspoon to break the sphere. So let's do it. So let's break the sphere. Perfect. Yep, and now pour our cocktail over it. And there we go, 1 filthy rich cocktail. And doesn't it look fabulous? What do you guys think of the filthy rich cocktail? Have you ever had it in The Alchemist? But here's to 1k subs, and thank you for all your support. This cocktail is for you guys that support this channel. Cheers. How does it taste? Beautiful. Because it's very beautiful. Because the thing you can taste with it is, with the champagne, it gives it that nice crispy taste. But the strongest taste I'm getting is a passion fruit, so it's a bit like a Pornstar Martini. So it has that passion fruit taste with the whiskey. It's just beautiful. That's perfect. It's fruity, it's tasty, and it's crispy. But that, guys, is the Filthy Rich cocktail. Go say thank you. This is our 1K special video, Filthy Rich. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Do leave the comments in the below, as I want to hear from you, or any recommendations for more cocktails that you want to see on the channel, as in the run up to Christmas now. Do you want me to do more Alchemist cocktail recipes, which I'd be happy to do. But that is Filthy Rich Cocktail. I've been MixedSid, your host. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as it really does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate support throughout 2021 and over the last 4 years. And this one is for you. Cheers. Here's to 10K.